but nothing ever seems to work. Now I'm running out of time, I'm losing my mind. I know I gotta make a change before the deadline. I'm running out of time, I'm losing my mind. I know I gotta make a change. I surrender.
Protestant, Muslim, Catholic, Christianity, I'm losing my sanity. All I see is vanity. Everybody for themselves, hating humanity. Favors getting held over heads like a canopy, but dark clouds attract the bad energy. Nowadays can't tell a friend from the enemies. Man-made disease, government is selling weed. Global pandemic touched all 7 seas. I'm just happy to be alive, could have been deceased. Lost so many recently, may they rest in peace. Not even blessings from a priest, stop a family grief. Graveyards is full, whether you preach or thief. Life had me running muddy streets without a pair of cleats. Even if you out of shape, gotta be an athlete. Most of women cheat, proud if you call them free. A little bread get you beak like a parakeet. Backseat, not even Radisson sweet. And if I try to teach my peeps, they gon' call me a geek. Instead of linking up, we individually compete, as if there's no continuity in the community. Love conquers all we need is unity. No doubt my higher power is guarding me every hour. Only one entity is familiar with every flower. In the presence of Yahshua, every devil gon' cower. This the strength that can bring down towers. Who the one to bring hurricane winds and showers? Only a bad mind turns something sweet sour. We trample the 7-head beast and devour. With the most high fear, it's not a problem. Put in my grievance and he solve them. Watch my every step, I ain't gotta involve them. Blessed to see another day in the sunrise. The fact we're still alive is the biggest prize. Cross the T's and I dot the I's. No surprise, I'm surrounded by positive vibes. I surrender to a godly agenda every
now
time.
I'm running out of time. I'm losing my mind. I know I gotta make a change before the deadline. I'm running out of time. I'm losing my mind. I know I gotta make a change. I surrender.
Thinking how this ends. My strength just keeps on falling. To pick it up, I gotta put my all in. I've got reasons to make me cry and give up, but I've got you who gives me that drive. How could I let that go to waste? I've laid my life in your hands, kept my faith in your plans. But I get doubts sometimes, wonder will I become who you made me to? Cause things have gotten messy, but painting. Every time I try, I keep failing. And whatever I do, wonder will I ever make it through? I've got memories that hurts like knife wounds.